they carry weight. Sometimes they are just a dismissal term. Yes. Kiugo rĩrĩ mere nĩ niĩ.
Ndona bakinya.
Yes.
Worio rĩ
uge niĩ. Na ndũkauge rĩtwa rĩrĩa mũnjĩtaga gũkũ. Yes. Kũu manjĩtaga Meshach.
Wamera Meshach.
Yes.
Ũkũhingũrĩrwo mĩrango.
Ndũkauge mũragũri. Sometimes you carry a lot of respect for people when they tell you that ugathiĩ handũ ũkarĩa na ũkanyua and your house or the courtesy of just saying ndatũmwo nĩ gathaia
nĩ ng'ania wa ndũma.
Yes.
Ajĩra
his word. Ũkerwo okorwo nĩ ũcio wa gũtũma tonya haha ambe ũheo kĩndũ ũngĩrũma. Yes. Kiugo mere nĩ niĩ.
Kana ũkaheo ũtungata world class.
Yes. World class no kayo kwa nĩ wĩra ũgwethaga. You are employed.
Kana ũkarũgio raini.
Yes. Ũtungata ũkamũkĩra priority. Yes. Ko kuga tu ugane
nĩ niĩ.
Yes. No na ugane niĩ is also abuse. For dismiss mũndũ. Wethiĩ hau mere makũne ngiri. Uge watũmwo no.
Nĩ niĩ.
Era Saro. Ũkauga wĩna ma ithe ndiakwĩra mera nĩ
Lazaro wauga.
Yes. Aithie hau ndatũmwo nĩ Lazaro mũhe ngiri makamba magatheka.
Kamenya you are scam.
Kamenya no. That person is very inconsequential
in that establishment
and they hold him in very low esteem.
Ugane Lazaro makamba mageturũrĩra.
Okay, you have been duped. Atiga tũkũhe kĩ?
Ngiri.
Arĩa menyito.
Ũkarigwo haya.
Akiuga kĩuga nĩ niĩ. Kĩana he andũ nginya ihiko. Yes. Ukauga niliambirio wewe na Waweru.
Waweru mgani?
Kasi ni yako ule anakuwa kwa Unilever.
Mnajuana?
Yes. Sana. It breaks the ice. Yes.
Huyu akaiwa. Kwa nini mkiwaina na Waweru ri?
Na Waweru, his ways are not very wayward. He must be someone within the character. Yes.
Na gũkũ kana ngoro-inĩ ya mũndũ ũcio harĩ ũrĩa agĩkorwo amũkuĩte.
Yes. You get a soft landing and a level of acceptability. Yes. Kiugo sema ni mimi.
Sema ni mimi.
Yes. Wewe mũthuri wa ndũmire handũ. Ndikomũtengũra tondũ nĩ mũthuri athiange tatũ mĩaka na no ndanga. The way I saw things stand,
just by mentioning him.
Yes. And those people had the confidence that I cannot have imagined or guessed. I had to have been sent by
so and so.
I've been sent here by Mr. Gadhaya. Ukona nyama igatura movie. Yes. What would you like us to do for you today? And they will not call to confirm. No kore ndio taithia kire. Aba. Macho okaria ngatho.
No watungatwo wega.
Yes.
Very good.
Na andũ acio arĩa makuona ũritũ handũ rĩ ũngĩthiĩ andũ acio magwĩtĩkia depending on the presentability. Ukinye handũ mũre auge manethimu they peace in their pants. Kwaje ũngĩgua muga mkubwa.
Yes sir.
Hata nani alikuwa ametoka kidogo. Hatujakataa kumsaidia mkubwa. Yes. Very fast, sir. I know it's not like that.
Ni system ilikuwa na shida kidogo.
Nika system kidogo. We are working on it. Hata saidika. Hata sio lazima aende kama atarudi Nyahururu. He can come to my place, sir. Ukamenya otomirwo nĩ mburu. You are sent by he who pays the
bills.
The piper that calls the tune. Gĩgathiĩ andũ nimetumwa na fulani. Huyo ni nani? Kwaje one arora itike deskine yake. We Molwa.
Sema kase.
Muraya ni nani?
Sio yule Mogolino.
Anafanyanga nini huku?
Yule Mogolino wa Wakikuyu. Anaimbanga.
Ule waneva. Kama ni huyo tutakusaidia. Huyo anasaidianga watu. Kama ni huyo amekutuma, huyo ni mtu mzuri, tutakusaidia. Nilikuwa nimeshindwa kidogo. Unaona, it's good nime consult. I know sometimes it is never obvious. Metumwa hapa na papasi. Napigia pasi wapi? Sio huyo mfeje.
Huyo ndiye nani?
Ni muibaji mkomedia.
Anaimba wapi?
Anaibaga wimbo inaitangwa Ngai ni wereria tukaumirira. Kaiwa anasema ule aliimba kwa kurusedi ya Mdosi. Ule aliimba Mdosi akafurahi. Boss karaoke. Kama ni huyo ni sawa. Umesema anaitwa Movenje. Mbapasi. Bypass.
Papasi.
Sawa. Kwa hivyo hii mambo yote imetoka kwa karaoke. Haya basi ingia pale utasaidiwa. Wewe vieuge nenie.
Vieuge nenie.
Yes.
Ndio ikawa ndaka